We have an exponential function here that we're going to be finding the limit of. And so this is the limit of x approaches 0 of e to the 2x minus 1 over e to the x minus 1. So when I do the direct substitution and I go to plug this in, I end up with, well, I don't know, let's just write it out right here. So 2 times 0 is 0. Well, e to the 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. And we get 0 on the bottom. So here it is, we're getting 0 over 0. So we need to try to factor this thing. You know, there's a lot of things that we've been dealing with, different techniques when we end up getting 0 over 0. But I'll give you a hint, in this particular one here, we're going to be doing some factoring. Now I'm going to rewrite this out as the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the x minus 1. And this whole thing here can be squared. You multiply exponents and you get 2x. But I'm just rewriting it in a different form. And the bottom is just e to the x minus 1. Nothing we can do there. Okay. So if you can remember, let me do a little side work over here. If I had x squared minus 1, we can factor this into x minus 1 times x plus 1. So that's what we basically have over here. So I'm going to factor this as e to the x minus 1 times e to the x plus 1. And that's all over e to the x minus 1. Okay, well, now you can see here that we can cancel some stuff out here. We can cancel the e to the x minus 1 on the top, and we have 1 on the bottom. So we're going to cancel that out. Now remember, these limits are all equal to each other. So we have the limit as x approaches 0 of e to the x plus 1. So we take the 0 and we plug it in, e to the 0 plus 1, and we end up with 2. Remember, e to the 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I can go back up in here into our original. Well, that really wasn't the original, was it? And say that this limit is equal to 2. So we're working with exponential functions, and things don't really change too much.